What up, guys? Welcome back to my channel again. Yeah, before we go on with this video, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell button so you can get a notification whenever I drop a new video, and don't forget to like my video so it can helps me, get more view. Thank you, guys. So today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create an audio settings on your OBS studio. Maybe you're trying to live stream and you want to use your mic. For me, I have a music studio, so I attached my sound card. Yeah, I'll attach my Behringer sound card to my system, and also the mic is connected to the Behringer sound card. I'm going to be showing you how it looks. So for other people that are using direct mic or any other thing, you can also go through this same process. Okay, so first of all, you need to create a scene. Yes, I've created one here. I created a scene here for screen recording, and I also created a scene here for streaming. Okay, so I haven't logged in anything here. I just have it fresh for tutorial purpose. And once you click once you create a scene here, it will pop up here. You can see it, and these are the volume for the screen. This is for the mic, and this is for the sound. Okay, so before you're going to go to your settings here on the control dash here, you click on the settings, and once it's pop up here, okay, you go to your audio, and you can see the global audio device. For this is for maybe your recording and stuff like that. So for the desktop audio, you can see my sound card is linked here, because I love using sound card because it helps boost my my recording and my voice. So this is the second auxiliary. This is the mic. This is for the playout. Okay, like the playback. Maybe after you record and you're trying to listen to your screen record, before you edit the video or you post it, it's going to play through my audio mark. If you have other way, you can play direct from your laptop device. You can disable, you can do anything, but mine is I choose my sound card. So for the mic also, look at it, the mic auxiliary, it's also on my sound card, because my mic is connected to my sound card. So you can use the system, you can use your direct, any one of these. So this is the fastest way. And for the playback, maybe you're not having your speakers, you're only having your headphones, and your headphone is connected to your sound card. This is where it is. I choose the Behringer, and once I play this, it sounds from my headphone. So this is how you can do your settings. And after doing all this, you click apply and you click OK. And once you done this and you click on start record, and it starts recording. So you can see it's down here, it's recording already, and this is how it's done. So it's very easy. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell button so you can get a notification whenever I drop a new video. So watch out for my next video on how you can connect your cameras to your OBS studio. Thank you, guys. Bye.